Hello, welcome to my channel Eye Opener. My topic is India's second coronavirus vaccine set to go into the human trial on 1,000 people. India's second possible vaccine against COVID-19, Zygote, is all set to start its human trial this month, the company said. The trailer will be connected on 1,000 volunteers across multiple sites in the country. Last week, Zydus Cadila Group received approval from the Drug Controller General of India (DGCI) to initiate Phase 1 and Phase 2 human clinical trial of possible COVID-19 vaccine in India. Zydus Cadila Group Chairman Pankaj Patel said it could take 3 months to finish the trials. Once Phase 1 and Phase 2 human trial will be completed, then approx drug regulator may allow the company to go for the Phase 3 trial. If the Phase 3 trial into the picture, then it will take another 3 months before the vaccine gets available in the market, Mr. Pankaj Patel said. Developed at Zydus Vaccine Technology Center in Ahmedabad, Zygote showed a strong immune response in animal studies, the company said. The antibodies produced by the vaccine were able to neutralize the wild-type virus in the virus neutralization, indicating the protective potential of the vaccine candidate. The company claimed that the vaccine candidate has no vector response and with the absence of any infectious agent. Zygote has successfully established the DNA vaccine platform in India using non-replicating and non-integrating plasmid carry the gene of interest, making it very safe. The platform provides case of manufacturing the vaccine with minimal biosafety requirements, Zydus added. It also known to show much improved vaccine stability and the lower cold chain requirement, make it easy for the transportation to remote part of the country. Further, the platform can be repeatedly used to modify the vaccine in a couple of weeks in case the vaccine mutates to ensure that the vaccine still elicites protection. Before meeting countries' demand, we will not start export. However, we may give our technology to other countries so they can make this vaccine. Another possible vaccine against COVID-19, Covaxin, will be soon start human trial on over 1,000 people into the 2 phases, according to the report. Bharat Biotech visited Indian vaccine market, received regulatory approval to start human clinic trial for its experimental shot. The company has planned to enroll 375 people in the first phase of clinical trial and Indian Council for the Medical Research (ICMR). The Phase 1 trial of Covaxin is scheduled to start next week. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.